How to create preset on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Lightroom. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go down here to upload a new photo, or you can choose between your photos. I already have this photo, so I'm gonna choose it. Now if after you edit and you want to create a preset, for example, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots. Now click on create preset and add your preset name, for example test. After you choose your preset name, now all what you have to do is select one those information that you want, then click save here in the top. Now I just saved this preset. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.